Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox one of the most awaited casting, I can say, and sought after casting in this end case on top of the Sterato, which is this. So this is a Nissan Skyline GTR BNR or BCNR 33. It's the Godzilla, and I'm really happy that I got this. So again, I bought this for only 179, which is the MRP. Don't encourage scalpers, don't buy it for more than MRP. Just wait for some time, surely you will get it in your region. Just make some contacts, guys, that's how you will buy it. Just roam around, talk to these people, and start buying a lot of things from them, and they will help you out. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so the initial impressions of this casting. So the casting wise, it looks really nice. It is a matte gray paint job, and does have some issue on the top on the paint, you can see here. And the livery here, which looks really beautiful. So I really wish they had some kind of black outline for this scratches, that Wolverine claw mark, like that kind of thing. So if they added some black color outline to that, that would have looked really beautiful. Just how the Godzilla is looking. So this one doesn't have any headlight details. So I really wish they added some kind of headlight details here. Being the casting looks really beautiful. And see, they added tail light details. I don't know why. See, the casting looks really nice, and you want to keep it like this. And they didn't add any headlight details, but they added tail light details, and it is just some dots, like nothing much there. And there is the GTR logo, but it is not really that clear. Okay, so here is the GTR logo. If the light hits at the right angle, you can see that there is a logo, or else it is really difficult to see. So the exhaust detail looks really nice. So the body is fully made of metal, including the spoiler, and the chassis is made of plastic. And casting is solid, and it has some good interior detailing to it, which is really nice. So as usual, you can see a lot of scratches out of the box. So again, that is like, with every car you will get this gift. So that is, you can't be able to do anything nowadays. You need to accept that. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Wow, that rolls really nice. It rolls smooth, it rolls really nice. I'm happy that they didn't sabotage this casting when it comes to rolling. That is really nice. I don't see any wheel wobble either. So overall, it's a beautiful casting, and if you're lucky enough to get this one, don't miss it out. So that's all I can say. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.